who creates a precious building which has two opposite qualities to it. Built within precious stones of all kinds, and all types of precious stones. But also built it from pitch and dirt. Hayela das. Do you think that would one think shetachlis kavanas hamel that the purpose of the intended king was shem atit v'afar is the purpose of the pitch and the dirt? It's clear that the purpose of the building is the precious stones. The pitch and the dirt are only to mechazik the building that it should stand properly, strengthen the building. So to the King of Kings, God, who made create man in a way which is fused, Torah, from a holy soul, something which is distributed from God on high. Will return to God after its death. The Gami Guf of, and also from a coarse body, which is pitch and dirt. Can one imagine that the intent is, the purpose is the pitch and the dirt? Anybody who thinks that is only a fool and an idiot. That's how Kav Mahalal says, and you won't come to any sin. Damian boss is nowhere from where you came. Ulana to where you are going, etc. In front of whom you're eventually going to give a reckoning. Klomar, meaning the Shama was distributed from God on high. It's going to go back to its source. On the other hand, a group may have bus.